Hey guys, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio, and got a really nice truck getting ready to put on the lot today, so let me go ahead and share it with you. All right, here she is, Big Red. This is a 2017 Ram 1500 4x4. I'll do a quick walk around. We'll go on the inside, but look at this nice honeycomb grille. I mean, it's a beautiful ride. So let's go ahead. You can see it's got nice tread left on the tires on this. You've got the steel running board. Let's go ahead and show you this. Tigers. Deep tinted windows all the way around. All kinds of room inside. Does have a short bed on it. It's got a truck liner, or the bed liner with this. So let's go ahead and pull it down. Okay, so here you go. You can see the liner on it. Good condition. Sliding glass on the back, and it does have the connector for your wiring on here with the hitch. Okay, we'll continue to do our walk around. Body on the truck is in fantastic condition. Get up here a little bit closer, show you the rims. The tread on this has been coated underneath for protection. One thing I hope you can see right here, it does have heated mirrors on it. And presto, here we are looking in the back seat. We do have cloth interior, gray interior. Headliner appears to be in very good condition. Let's go ahead and hop up front. Hey guys, I forgot to mention this thing's got a Hemi engine in it, 5.7 Hemi, so you're going to have all kinds of power and torque. So here we get a good view from up front. Show you the two-tone door panels on it, your controls, and here's your lighting controls, and for your wheel to go up and down. Let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, so here we are inside. Do a little quick pan around, show you the interior. Let's go up here to the gauges, zoom in a little bit. Mileage on the truck, 39,431 miles. And you'll notice you do have controls on your steering wheel on the left. This is for your audio, your Bluetooth connectivity, and your cruise control on the right hand side. We'll pan over here. You can see your gear selectors, and then right down here your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive system. And get over here to your LCD monitor with your stereo system, media, radio, phone. Of course, no phone is paired up to this right now. But get down here, your heating controls, traction control, tow haul package. You do have auxiliary port right here for electronic devices, and a second one over here, which is a USB port. 3 cup holders here, storage capacity, and of course this entire thing does lift up. So let's go ahead and look in the back seat right now. You got ample, all kinds of room. You got a couple cup holders there, but look at that leg room. All kinds of room in this. And here you do have your lights. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. 2017 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine. It's a nice truck. So we've got a lot of different financing sources up here. You can, a lot of times, no money down, low money down. If you don't have the greatest credit in the world, it's okay. You don't need to have perfect credit. But feel free to give us a call with any questions. Area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.